Well, you better fear man kwa tamakulasi na yada you can say Sister Sandy be a guy, Professor E.K. Wallace. Quick reminders. Honorable Samsiahi yakona kusensu nyame adma memenda we fiada memenda na kwesiada waja ode oba asase we su radiator safren the late Joshua Kwabna Ewusi dodo na afre no papa papa and radiator safren ti ifiada wo breman asiem mankesim eho na yekopen krabia na afei memenda na yatenase ewo bia ho a ti yenhye ne so na yenkotai niminyamfo Samson ahi ene nebusua achi very important yeka Samson ahi a wa onim soma wabesom Ghana guso som Ghana na osom the party so na afei so osom adofo ene monso amonim peso aso na menka o se na ohwe ya nso no ye mame the late Oba Pain Sophia Edu say ono so nyamfie eduowotwe minu 82 years yenkotai emechi na otwe ewie okumase nyame yadoma 18th of February Presby asafo ewo bomso Trinity Presby asafo ewo bomso eho ana ebeye ufusom na afia kope ne krabia sepe onsuansa Royal Cemetery na afia adofo ne ebusuafo atenase wo Jubilee Park I ben Premper Assembly Hall donko kopim se no nsia ne kwase dan so na asia so no ye be koso o Trinity Congregation asafo ewo bomb so Presby na mekan efita na ebehye ebusua be sa atenase wo Jubilee Park ben Premper Assembly Hall donko kopim no nsia ye mabusua nyina yakọ okunafo ye Ira Samuel Kwame Apia Kubi emma nana makuto wo USA nana akua free Apia wo UK nana masewa Apia wo USA Mrs Stella Apia Poku wo USA Mr Frank Apia dodo friend atoto or UK Mrs Flora AJ Mensa ewo Kumasi Ohenere Amapoku ya wo USA Ama Paying Grant ewo USA Ama Kakra Grant ewo USA ana Mr Eugene Kwabna Ofori so UK yenkota ebusuafo achibro mokope the late Oba Pain Sophia Edu say to do our friend Equia Nyamesem and our sister omokope ne krabia. The Vice President of Ghana, the spokesperson Atnase Edika Boderu na children and run a chance no kasa on Shiemo and ni bishia enne Mejiri se monso modi a lot of questions Edika Kraba. If you go through questions what you're asking really the Dr. Gideon Boako correlations and akwaba too. Who watch it? But menka say Dr. Gideon Boako a proud Ahafonian for this year back on we are very proud of him. Now watch this space in some common and check ebidisa and komo. It's half for a chamo, it's half for a year and the ebidin komo. The unyamiti me no. Nti bibi pa ebetime free half aba nti wa half wo hwe at this point emo bia na da so free half nti bibi pa bia nti me free home ba ya eti hey we are too much of an example obetime ahweso na motime so dia atra ye hye no akonka ma afo ni mabanyam me chia regional minister George Bachime to nka che yi pa nti ojiri se bibia e kama na vice president what is saying Ono person a potential flag bearer for the NPP, right?
Inshallah.
No, also interest no.
Yeah.
Oh,
very well.
Facha me say komo bibro e di ba o ka very well there. So what the amount for car for vice president? No.
Oti area kwesibu afọ. Asadu aka brebe.
I say
abo ani ho. Na dey bonity.
Abo ani ho. But it be a worry no. Because almost common be na yes ni bi na yes entrofo ni bi kwanse ma ye kan say wo de ne kodwa so a de empa na akoka say e di to me share ne say man penya be de chiri
okay
de empa why that's the mo was because inshallah certainly oba did you know why
the Ghana aban president Kufuor aban aye bia no omampania be de kira ye de ye omampania be de kira ye
de Ghana
the aban we aye bia no okay
yeah
omampania be de kira ye the aban we ntimi nye ye bia no omampania be de kira ntimi nye it's as simple as that.
The achievements of this government morning is celebrating boom
exactly. And the failures of this government, we celebrate with you.
Inclusive, you will be our abai.
Excellent.
When you move free.
No.
But what is it when you be Edison common?
You see, sir, and no, and I bet you the individual people, Nipa, ahodo na or party no. And obia do or my party no. Obia ahofama or my party no. Na no so na bet you. Say party mpanifo person mo choose a take decision na omo be hu say yen ko choose one ma omo de papa ba omo ka ho bone ba omo nka ho
bone no you were a figurehead that are responsible for those lapses, not necessarily crowd bone. These are lapses. For instance, I say economic management team. You see the finest brain in terms of Isikasemuntu to ye Dr. Baumia. For instance, I say any economist are turning a IT specialist. So some common being in everybody basu.
See, Adom Kwame person me ka. MPP for you na tia say me nyine bebre me ya bofra. But my son party and I know MPP true and true. The MPP for you na hu say MPP party no leader bia ni ho a wabedi anima watima we ni power. As I lead no young no hofin leader be anywhere or say or be DMPP anim ama otim de akwaje franka sa nipa no young no hofin obia or say or no de ne ho ni asem obia ntimi nka ne ho asem bone bia no asa sa nipa no nipa hyedan hu say okra obitima di tumi no nti hu hia say ye kan ho asem. President Kufuor, the Kayama Kosi say Asantinibian Timidi President Kufuor not in a can, yes, I know can. He came, you had to turn a whole pink cancer. President Kufuor them say you had no good from the ATT and so. Say, person all rise to that level in a political party. Now obey leader ultimately was our party now. I was our sacrifice our personality. Now the bar for dear Edema party. Na obi bia so MPP ma oye na dwuma yie na oye dwuma bo MPP party na at the same time oye dwuma so ama the opposition party na hunu say MPP ye better than sa opposition party say nipa na ye better no hope I just say wo a why adwene say wo the party na opposition na o mfa ho onko kan bi na obi abedi watam o protect wo ne wabusua ene wo integrity but what the mention as nti ye ka wonye den wonka bi na emom aben dia a opesa wo kire say ye no ano abi but ona ye mfa ade no. So
the issue is that mo de papamu bonimu all you know is that a MPP and the wo
and that has been Baumia. You see sometimes Crawford be correct me ka so Baumia or Badaben o tell me na say wa mantem sabe na Dr. Preku kan ye kan say ade and kan na Dr. Preku na ye den aduru no so. Because I know the Osha second testing at Chapa, what also me as President Kufuor did first 98, Nana Kufuor did the second, Apreku did third. The Kaufu was an Apreku, so but that is not the issue. And no cranting and Yamasumun, you say Paul Amantem, and so Ede was said the California. And it is about the sacrifices. And no share about me, I mean, Nantiache, his major preoccupation. And say, look, let's sacrifice for the party. And then, Obi MPP no to make us so. And some about me account opposition. What you mean? And then no more car say a no. You buy no, you intiminya inti. I say, you intimi fa Baumia enko.
But are you wrong?
Now Busa who say the Baumia car opposition. And then Susudia or the buy SMP ba power, you buy and some or kind or come on why?
Or come on MPP.
One come on no some predia the Baumia ye opposition. Sir ordinity edge achema. Ediama MPP. Na ye did not attempt receiving all the attacks from the NDC. Na okasa ye betima ye say ye betima ye so wan kasa or the man who se Baumia. MPP ne di na juma di hon faso. MPP was the ultimate beneficiary. I was some about me kaya. They about me ye be in opposition. MPP no ye man or didn't hope for there. Sabe nyo no kwa na nanko beti makasa na nyo no so nko na kasa ye nipa bebre so eyebi binim so ho de a omo nan anka omo nsan anka pacho tre mechina ase na omo pese bedi omo atem omo pese obi abekasa tie omo no mo hwe ebe ye a enye so enye but the lives of Bawumia and the rest who say enye ebe ye asem enye ye asem yen sacrifice ye ho ye integrity yen sacrifice ye family na ye make sure say ye bema Ghana for enya GD ewo MPP no mu in opposition ena omomo bi de omo ti gira chema the MPP was the ultimate beneficiary. In fact one more ena omo ka se o ye ka se BSC entima anye ene ne nkro ne ba ene nyina no omo hunu se nipa bi an sacrifice wo position an kan some omo kan ya masa ni so adehunu no ama and can MPP ama power na MPP ama power so say omo serve as ministers na e ka hoode omo nya ne some person would jano come on yasa hoode
because without sacrifice
that is what it is a sacrifice and a call to duty and na Bawumia ye to be say oh na the okan ye say be in opposition or no na sabe why ye the main star face boy. On the president Kufuor star boy for the MPP what am I say na no so na chese de onimu to and ye de gina tro no ano okay so in opposition the MPP felt say Bawumia or a star boy or kasa nyansa wom aba wom krofo fa enti ya agriculture ho nsama no na kanya sa eye trade ho nsama na woka eye energy ho nsama na woka eye finance ho nsama na woka eye education ho nsama the MPP at the time Bawumia was the god of MPP okay ehumi says Abrantie is all round what the bibia man na obetima ka ho asem ana waka ana wa yes na party na yesusu no na yaba power say yaba power ana Ghana constitution nimra kwan so no ye ka say Bawumia ye all round ti yemfa Greek ministry shanesa yemfa finance ministry shanesa yemfa energy shanesa yemfa trade shanesa yemfa fisheries shanesa na nkro ne ba de nyina e shanesa ana wantumi anya de a wo se Bawumia wo kan ba ye de ma wantumi anya de anye but in the frameworks of the constitution o madwene no eni kwa se de adwuma ni nyina hye ba kofonsa enti ye ba power no say the constitution is share no ministries be okrada created by the constitution yes sir ani so ade hunu na party no enam president ne Bawumia monso ye to ho din no enie na mom wo man hene ye de wato agriculture no anya sir obi ye de nato energy Gideon ye de nato what say trade we ye de nato ha monhwe na monye adwuma obia ankrankra ministry bia adwuma oye no ene ye kan nyina afu a ne ya present ya Ghana for say modern ma ya bonie
so mebo a collective responsibility
excellent
and ebe kabum ebe the final results for
excellent into be also ana cd ahode what you say ebe perform ti ya fa mo Bawumia sebe impressed ya
na person kede bon
me pa cho me ba just because I don't know make the issue
so
ye ba mu na bia ye the good for oil ba be ma city na gina automation say ye ba mu near ye industries are betima me ya export more ye benya foreign exchange ye ba mu near agriculture production kosra e betima me nya no ba bebre ni aye den yakwa akoton ye benya foreign but me ya the side ideas no say be no nko a ye collective but them say most of them on no be there or be communicating. These are fantastic ideas and they are true. So what me yen sa na ba. Ti ye ba mu no. Ye se ye pese ye hwe se ye nua na ye bedua bebre. So ahun ti ye minister for agric or no making sure say there's a lot of food production. Ye kodua nua na sa ama. I didn't test all this so Boako Bawumia so no na ka say agriculture betu ma ye sika na gina. But ye do bia to agriculture no. Sasa nipa no antimi amfa sa ni so ade hunu na party no ane MPP fo nyina ye ya Bawumia kan no anya adwuma adentina sasa ode ho so Boako Bawumia so say Bawumia kan ya say oh ye ba ne ye mfidi dwuma ne ye dane no man ne ebetimi ama no matima ye nti one district one factory ne nkro ne ba ye mfamra it is good e true so utimi ye ne sa be ma economy na nyini no one move from say we turn raw materials no so be add value and ye do bi akoto ano say wo na wo ye in charge of say e be hwe mfidi dwuma ho nsensem ne ade se anko yi a patriote mention ase adentina se ode ho sobo ekobaba omia yesi o sikasem no ye hwe na ye stay discipline na ye kate a quote according to your size na yetimi generate more revenue a ebetimi ama ye sikasem na gina ne nkro ne ba omia kan in opposition. Very good, fantastic idea. It is in line with theory and the practice. What I mention as no dispute about that. You buy and say do be to be a finance minister no. We share now only GR for raising more money. We make sure it's kind of a balance. We better to me, we better spending the year. Say uncle year. I didn't know. As I saw this support a body or ma or car idea no awesome. Now we judge or no implemented idea no because yeka some producer vice president office ye ma contract ho ye nsa check ho ye implement project ho na mo no de ne say ne suma wo de som say wo boa ni wura president no nim de a wo ene adwempa wo no o de san susu de no ebeba na aboa no kreso ni ba umi approve beyond reasonable doubt say ye kan wo mo otimi tan ase adwene de nim de bebre eba aban mu a oyobi a otimi boa saa de ne ye eti as vice president won timi na ho nhwe say o ministers no nhwe no mo nyom adwuma just like that but ono nso ne nim de ne say me ka bibia kiro ye ba 2017 no say adwuma sem ye problem on the mention say eti ye ba no na unemployed graduates association then nkro ne bank maburu nya adwuma nya na ya ba 1 year people were complaining say youth employment yeah there it took the vice president and then the team in the office and on what so yen create adwuma bia ad hoc okra na ebetimi a lesson problem that and they did something like NAPCO the whole NAPCO idea was birthed in the office of vice president and president Daniel launching NAPCO no okay one some vice president about so this idea by what the idea naba you good you good okay you shall implement you do implementation and your vice president office and then implementing NAPCO and your youth program maybe a shall the minister of youth and sports and as be office of president whatever near oh ya say ambulance wo Ghana sa what you mention as akrofo yare wo nkrase a omunya nro wo ka obi ni ade a enti ambulance so wo ho ne no so ntimi nko sanka ya health asem but somebody like me thought about it say oh mako Silicon Valley mako shia mrantie zip line for ya nhwe na zip line adwuma na ewo Tanzania no yemfa bi mra Ghana na ambulance ni ho kra na yentimi nya drones na nko nkrase nko deliver medicines fantastic idea. What the idea na ba abaya hu say idea no eye na do implementation some vice president office they implementing it is a drone anko year Obeteka so vice president idea ne ba but he's not the one implementing ma aban ni ministry no implementing that is it.
The issue is that are you saying that after all these fantastic policies and ideas na mo creative do now or vice president aswe no those who are supposed to implement it, implementation is a costly challenge for party, and implementation is a costly challenge for Omaino. Because clearly, the outcome it makes sense. Yeah, you know, I say, Namia do me agree. Intimacy and the equality incredible why intimate for a shine and as a boat could do FM call, it with a bicycle crowd room call. Yeah, well, I bear for him the Abia, you bet me a year, baby, I'll show what cross here be ebetim de dry de abre ho no agea to mawi de wo hwe sa dwumadi so na ko implement so we cannot come back and say that wo now the idea ne by de ko implement no but the point is you are supervising what have you been doing dipa ne modern boy enso ani nyina no e de na why afa ho because di ba bia e say wa ultimate sim so just ma opanyin say opanyin whatever in this case referring to the president whatever adwena nyina agea tum kama bibia ko kame wadaroma emsa hanu de enkoyi
edikai no let me emphasize say I'm not admitting failure on the part of government
okay
mejitum say enye bibia aban anase MPP party President Kufuor do anymore no ye can say be opposition in na yetimaye I'm not saying that na ye fa Ghana political history so aban bia ni ho awaba de oka so betim obaye no wetimaye ni nyina and ye can say ade anka ne NDC obi antimi me contest election bia bio odi ani so ade ho ne ba oba de obetimaye no waye de wantumi aye no ehon no kware die ni say e bia Ghana for ye ka say be ye say we de ye ntumi anye sinton say ne ba sa sinton no ye ne ankasa ye sinton anase we de ana wi ase enoma bia bobo frama bia bobo wi ase be so ye so ntina ye ntumi aye de anye we what they are not to talk, then you make a case for yourself, your party, and on any day, any time, any moment, make us a MPP. Your boy a home model ache Yura Muhammad NDC. That argument can be made all the time. But me per se MPP ni bia enya sa regime no. Any sa Gideon, any sa hoto so ne say. Sabe mpreduasa. Ye sin to nyina akiri no. Ye susu say ya ye adwuma a eso chai any other political party current there was a person here contest. It will your MPP near. It is not for you, especially while person would depart in any mood to come and say, oh, just because a person or chon free, no more bakum you nubia, ebia atosini, ewa abandonmentino. Now you're home say holier than that. What do you say? As an opportunist, kakranity. What's now come be my chimo? Name the echoes when you be idea. Menka, oh yes, sir. Now, oh yeah, a party.
I think let's be quite specific. Some of your party people look like I say it will be difficult to sell Baumia or market Baumia because Baumia message Ben or the Kwama Ghana for it. And I won't say we no so the Obia or Casa Biano. Now latently, any Pakwan person just any MPP ni can see a 2024 election because the entire war Casa and they say and no matter do na can't say a bay, but Umiana can't. That's what I mentioned. And now, oh, or no, not which I don't agree. Or no, not Jimmy say, oh, intimate a B. It is the intimate, no. It's as about me and the car intimate finding the uncle. So, what can I say? Not just say also, oh, but on the ticket of what? On the ticket of MPP and as a CPP. And as a independent candidate. So, what about on the ticket of MPP? The other now person say, MPP need message. MPP to me can be beyond will be unconvincing. Oh, what Jimon, Sana Opus or there. And you don't come and ask us to say, I'm only lead the MPP. Go and look for another political party, another creative political party be able to make us, oh, me cry dear. My name and Crawford, now you can't MPP who cry. What you mention us in the year back on our own. But also, person lead the MPP there. You can't choose and pick in this particular instance. Not just one case and one should the collective responsibility. And Sanya, and I feel so no, you don't even appreciate what your government have done. And I feel so no. They are buying a year be crown. One case won't share the name. What I mentioned, the maybe boss actually will say, look, there are challenges, all right, but look at something. When was the last time in this country? What you say, we say petrol boa peja, I could do strong as I say, Abba, from Sanya, petrol boa later, it could do around 20 something cedis per liter, and I was saying, it's in the tens. What you say, around 15 or so. What's the last time I would say so? Ghana in our history, you know, exchange rate, you know, see the now the upper form. Ama, I feel they say about almost half of that. Oh, be that way. It only happens in MPP. What I say, we may have challenges, but you to me correct challenges, you know. Ama, normal, I reverse it back. And these are some of the things. What can back will be you are stolen by me too much. Tama see the initial as I said, Tambo, November, December, and yeah, that. You saw what Baumia did. Quickly, the moment a vice president announced gold for oil policy, because exchange rate market, the speculation, contribute a lot to the depreciation. And Uncle Fong will say, hey, so I buy say on CD $1 be on fan. Because on a foreign exchange, international reserves, so I did back one, a higher trace can be brave, a fan water. Bosumi be spent almost $400 million at the import of fuel. It is supposed to be also subsidies a $400 million. Dollar when I so sick and hold the answer. The moment a vice president announced our policy in the microphone say, hey, says our policy shall say 2023 there. But must see the edgina dollar never go from Timmy or dollar cry measures and a many day. Mean Jemo. And then a microphone shall say so much more dollar more precope. I didn't know I could do 15. No, who said, say, yeah, but below 10. That is innovation. That is visionary leadership. That is Obia Sabe. Also, of course, you ni nimdia osuya no wadimba eye juma practically. Emi enya so mfaso. And under NDC year hunda. Says he did not depreciate. I could do this level na at $1, 1 cedi. Could that never happen? But MPP no se BBC na adibinti pa. Utim say we have ideas near the idea yetim diba. Na boa ama ene good for all you send by. Fuel, a sort of thing akra. MPA for cry now say the next week or two, a bed drop by 2 cities. It gradually, by the time I drew almost close to full capacity of the gold for oil policy, was the fuel price be from drastically and solving all the problems.
babon sa ho kira nanka petrol bo ne fan wo bo e de beton crofo so no sa ho kira na sha say the eba from kakra. And in this modern world under the fourth industrial revolution, you hear leaders who are thinkers, who are visionary. Na omunya 2 minutes on betima hwe na crofo a implement. Say there. Baumi adwuma wo ye nyina ne say wo boa ni wura kufuado. Na omasom oman no. Adwuma president de be hye ne nsem se ne emrase no. Eno ho adwuma na wo ye de oye. Ana sabio minister bia ye na adwuma on report ma Baumia. Baumia de ho ne say president advice ne say anaso director ne say ohwe ni hwe for ni hwe a o minister de we a wo ye mesusu se nka wo ye ne say a ebe e ya futuo. No minister by the law is bound by the words of any vice president. But what I mentioned, it is what two for now fan out the year Juma. A beboy nyina. E be a minister no so wan fa nya Juma na nche se wo ye enemo ho se mo bi ono so na dwene e different. And ono so na e Juma na hye ne sa ho akontabuo ba na bibia ankoye o Ministry of Adom TV a ye beka so man hene. Wo na wo da no na ade na ye de ankoye. It is a maybe ba be two for. Na officer foto na me de ma ono. And need the opposite way and also insist so who whole right is all take decision unless cabinet or the president orders you say chenchina you say it be MPP ye biano ye hu say party for ni nyina hu say a collective responsibility say obi say ene opese o twe ne ho free mu na ko say ono de oye different as nipa no he's not worth the vote of the party people because he cannot sacrifice himself for the MPP. Baumia in opposition has done that human's job. Sacrifice, service, and service in humility. It do baby and no more denia de adecrano, no akujina, you and I were not there court, no were defend the party no against all us. Nyamiso achena dear on your lawyer. But in the Supreme Court, I didn't in a process, you never saw about Miano from Bakokrada because I didn't who share at the no, I'm making sure so be ya ba mokrano. Bibi bia says away, yes, do baby no more den. Now communication crofokura so say we dey be dey na chim we say no waje original simpios person me lecture now crofo me ka say there was a time bia last lecture bia koye o Yesu Krom Pentecost Convention Center me kona me sister ba ko bia frame say ade mo betima defend na so dey jai ye betima defend but me akasa wi a no say say na nchire mu say wo ho say ni say e bi ni ma command to for whatever reason but no there whether rain or shine, he's there for the MPP because a MPP in
but the biggest challenge more the opposition. Throwing it at Baumia, now Baulaya, Bau IT, Bau no message, Bau intimate tono. These are commentaries, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know how team no more assess it. Yeah. So when we say Baumia, what is it with Baumia? Branaber responded to 17 questions how the man, the late Miss Arthur, and all those things. It will pop up this elections. We say we is a flag bearer clearly. These are some of the things that we want be DSC and Kasa. So the man Baumia.
So the man Baumia say, let's look at the personality. What does he stand for? Okay, Ofri say to be a vice president as a president, or some juma. Okay, or some no say one kasa woni peduano. Usune wo ban te say. It's very important in the first place. He comes with a certain image. Say one, nani mreshe. Pachote mecha, ba umi ani mreshe. He's one person. He's not in government to enrich himself. Till sometimes once I for in the mukta aka say, ba umi ade why no say. See no evil, touch no evil, hear no evil. You will never hear or see say Baumia a lead project be and now say we call the idea be about a drew home implementation. Now or the home shim per se. No, you will never see him. Say what the day or say or he doesn't care. The okay in say it's about Ghana, let us develop Ghana. Ghanaians and Ghana. You hear those kind of leaders are omuya selfless. Omuya nkrofo sabi omo ma ba mu say omo ba be pesika bi e de enrich omo. That is the persona of Baumia. That is a key attribute. I will say whoever we choose as a party, no, because 2024 whether you like it or not, NDC the Muhammad Beba. Okay, so we should get a personality. Okay, as soon as in Muhammad Jinawa, how do you assess them? Then also, you share the level of knowledge nipanowo I'll bring it on board. clearly unofficial but Ghana for nyina agitum say you can vice president what demonstrated beyond the capacity and as the office of vice president now why more impactful in our modern day political season as Baumia sabe wa ma me say oh may play a supportive role nti me armchair vice president the ebeka say menye na ma ye bibi ni ho na but you see a lot of MPP so you see a 2024 campaign and what be dey kotu ye say achievement major achievement ye be boso in MPP say you free senior high school say or this mobile money interoperability digitization job creation NAPCO and then the major things zipline drone ambulances near the agenda 111 all these ideas and you can never take Baumia out he is shown say even when we came and acquire one some problem and for complaining what did Baumia do call China create something like Sino-Hydro people didn't even understand now Kofofi say it is not even possible. But when we are taught outside the box, we're using the economist theory and then the practice. Oh, we can do something like infrastructure for box and Sino-Hydro idea. And my idea you can be brave. Ghana. You can see, sir, he has a lot to offer. I try to mention that. And Baumia sees himself and say, look, the Amukramuhuni say, Mayor Vice President, innovations, ni ideas are met to me at the Abama, I have so much to offer. Now he's in a supportive role. But even in the supportive role, no, you should say, well, the key projects. I want to solve Ghana for you now. And my uncle be America. No, sending message to one information. Say vice presidency effective April. Ghana need be from the chamber. Don't fill cards.
It's in the papers.
Exactly. And it's so you see, he's a vice president of ideas. There's no doubt about that. Obi a ba omia san bia ye ne ye adwuma say advisors required do bia wo sori adopa na wo adwuma da ye ba show because okodru ye na no he expects so much from you in terms of knowledge he knows more he has that persona say onye ni brebre for he's not into politics to enrich himself now aside there a lot of ideas come on board in a supportive role here there watimi aye say wo man kwan na say ono na oye in charge then he knows say me the pillar we na esi ya me the we na esi ya wenum and na idea we ye de ba me fi some betima ye wa anye ni ya mesesa no so that is what he brings on board. Okay, so Ghana see here modern day politician be with that kind of personality and that level of knowledge ni intellect na yade akoma kan ye dwuma de som wo man no dia and don't look for any cosmetic thing. Dr. Gideon Boako Augustine Blaine ye den omo. Oh yeah, secretary to the vice president, just like withDr 2 is to the president. Krata we no Sasha say authentic if you must say. Krata there. Krata ya say response to media report on Mr. James Keko said. Yeah. Mr. Yeah. What's that story? I made front page story. So vice president office implicated in. Yeah. What's that story? It's one of those things. Now, politics, no, so you do sabri. Now, I mean, strange things. Internal yanum, external yanum. A combination of forces. Combination of forces. So there's no truth. No. So what is true? And they said. Ehwehwemu bi koso na san hwehwemu no nipa na ye hwehwemu no wo mo ho no baako eye adwuma e vice president aso eye menka say vice president office because technically there's no office like vice president office. There's the office of president. Now about office of president na subsets or your chief of staff secretariat, vice president secretariat and then croniba enti ayimu no part of Yenina under office of president. To see my appointment, chief of staff, and I say president might be there, and I be there to next. Now you appoint too. Maybe say I was appointed as economic advisor at the office of president, not the vice president. What I mentioned, but when you drew high, so and the vice president Yejuma, we see. So the political appointees in the world, political appointees require umunchichimu. Yeah, one more, almost purely political aides because president and vice are more politicians. And they are one so you appoint to more as political appointees, but they may not necessarily be politicians. Obu ho chade we invest in special competence be. Or should anya MPP ni bebre, na ye de na ba so be boa. Obu also MPP ni but special competence. Into me say no, I was appointed as a political appointee in that category. So what I mention I say. Eti wo sa no de oba adwuma yesi ye no na wahwe so na why ho adwuma and in that case we feel adwuma mkwa my own resign and I suggest a wa ope And to me say me free Kwame Nkrumah suapom say ochechire I resigned from the university. I took secondment for 3 years. 3 years no so 30th August 2020. And I invest in this renewal for another 3 years. And to me my juma mene aban a year or Jubilee House no. Ebeba we year 30th August 2024. I have to go back to the university unless say me say try kona university mama days ni bika wana asa beka se ma resign. Pacho tell me chana. And ye wo omo nso a omo ye civil servants. Omo no de NPPO NDC beba ko omo de so wo ho. Eti Mr. Osei or not follow within that category. Civil servants never no. They don't report to the president and as a vice president. They report to the heads of civil service. Yeah. It is be a civil servant or ministry be and our vice president office and our president office. Now ye bonia president ni ho kwan so watwe any pakraso. Mremo no. Vice president ni ho kwan so watwe ni panaso. Se me ye bonia vice president as a president because me na me employer o me yiwedi. And I could try be on suspension. But the president or vice president does not have that capacity to do that. Enti, papa yi dia na dia what they say. A man na na bomb Boako so de Isa. Sir Isa no oye adwuma e wo National Insurance Commission. Pacho tell me. Yeah. Ti ono ana utiete ensem na okohu civil servant ye o ho ne say owo mo bi e wo Tema port container more container time bi. Na ni yi no onya challenges so nemo ofi say so the vice president din bata ho a ebe ma port for no e gbabo ho no ma yimo na manti okohu sa civil servants on track ata so civil servants so omo administrator omo access to letterheads but vice president letterhead ne president letterhead ne colors no different so ana civil service for no so omo ade on track ata say vice president office any here salmon pacho ti the merchandise enkrofo taye da bia na ye che omo enti na omo adwene se omo de corner vice president di bata ho dia omo no omo be dane de ede na akwa say akwa na ya fa ma na to me bi wosoro all those kind of things but omo de letter no call ye no and am say GR for the castles for no so nim say so president be try letter bi say either say chief of staff and I say nana be there too vice president be try bi say the secretary to the vice president. And yes, civil servant, no vice president be you no. Ndomoso yes o mo ye de afa chire. Tim sa che no mo hu say ade no. Ya yi kakra. Ana omo sa twa krata e call withdraw. Sa letter na omo di ka twa no. But na the first intent no mo ye ho adwuma de letter no ko. But che no mo hu say me say ya tija na se bibi no. Omo twa krata de call withdraw ye. Ana omo de call because first letter omo twa 27th April. Omo so vice president office here sa mono for Ramadan 27 people na ka 5 days na ka 5 days na Ramadan cry there and I chomo try crata the corridor and special prosecutor ma ya sonte ya na say no ya no ya sanction obi ase onye
so you catch him say
yes and the vice president say on sanction obi ase onye sa de no but say say nipa na civil servant ntino oni to me say okase bia ko trafi anase bi nti the my heads of civil service for no chief director money ade na mum Esa so omo the vice president dia bam na egu no ho fi no na vice president catch a special prosecutor say on continue on prosecuted case no e wo court but you tell me because why you sue me din akoye ade a men ka say kokoye adwuma wo ye ne Ghana mra no meni kwan say me ka say fi office akotena fi because nyam na me do buy ye babeto because me so say no Ministry of Health and buy information here Mahama time 2014 and buy Jubilee House the na vice president betima ya ne say obema special prosecutor kwan Sekoso na famra kwa so na ye den hwehwe nsem na de da no fakoto so it for now we are just waiting for what pans out in court and the civil servant mo ye hwehwe mu na bia kwadu no ebo opanyini na afan but me kind special prosecutor de na me hu say na attention ni emo no side because charge na the ball me so say na nkasa nye emo no ne salete no it appears say bia mo withdraw salete into okay but charge of the ball no ne say okay so won declare ni assets bi because a special prosecutor nya adwen bi say person hwehwe omon krata se no account mu hu say e ya de omotaye a omode anya bia sika bia na japade bia na because show account na sika bi mu na ene wakatua mfa obetima akwesho but according to special prosecutor no emi say sa nkrata asem no ama na so declare was na one declare so a yes wa form ran some me note me declare me assets me afi bia me declare me assets etimi auditor and answer auditor general whatever onim sika o ma council say me wajapade bia onim to tell me nya japade bi na bro so a You bet me for us a cratch. Sad, down we are not say, Sika, we win our.
Okay, so Martin, you could try about Dr. Gideon Boako and say, baby, rapport, but few messages are about. See you, Rich Diamond. Good morning. No, my great submission by Dr. Mr. Paul J. Baomia movement. Sir. And then this one says, good morning, no, my grassroots from Tano North. Powerful submission from Dr. Gideon Boako. He has really schooled Yanum this morning. And hashtag Dr. Gideon Boako for Tano North. Ohoni Tano North.
Meheva. Maybe I'm free.
Maybe I'll free no.
Turn on off.
Oh, I see. That now Busam say, Ohona, I was here.
That's a question I was asked. A mischief you actually. Oh, many budget.
Hey, Mr. Paul Josie Ochiao.
Oh, okay.
James Hinks is tell Dr. Boako, Vice President is different from being a president. During Mohammed's time, all blames were at his doorstep. Now, Dr. Boako and Baumia are run away from their mistakes and failure. And about for this conversation again. Well, as I said, I'm going to bring to know, wrap up your conversation. Also, Boatin or Techiman, also friend Uncle. Yes, also Boatin say great submissions by my nephew, Dr. Gideon Boako, and also our Vice President. Also, Boatin mentioned what Techiman.
He's a good man.
Jeffrey so say Enzima delegates for Baumia wish Dr. Mahmoud Baumia a happy new year and Val's Day. And the squad team to say morning senior, my greetings to that young guy in front of you. MCE for Tanados.
The champion man. the champion man.
I don't know who a guy. Oh, yeah, guy. I mentioned severally, and I think so. Honorable Enin say, Honorable Enin, former
Madam for.
My boss is Doctor. I think good morning, on my head. Did I hear Dr. Boako claiming that the 1D, 1F is VIP's idea? Hell no, that isn't true.
I haven't said that.
It's Alan Kojo Chemantin's initiative. Your kind say all these ideas put together, Bibia that the leading common Kasafa has been Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. So it's a collective responsibility. Say Papa Bar, the party, not an individual. All of us should celebrate. Say Lapsis Bar. A party no and assessing to Namanaba. But Ubi Kotrina will say, maybe I had a name in Kawa, and then you selectivity. That's what okay, Bawanka say, or the Dr. Baumia, the 1D, 1F. But hey, all I'm winning so no one with you. So no war. Alan Chairman take come with you. You are referred to
1F, now MPP manifesto. It was part of the MPP manifesto. So
yes. So Boma Adam Smith, anyway. Na ada mami nyima yi oko say town north na
town of either
oko as a MP hopeful na
oh say no town nyandro ho ba be a town dru ha
Boma Adam Smith okay I see
Tam drew high.
Prosper Washama, I'll say Dr. Baumia all the way, Dr. Gideon Boako, you super. Citizen Francis, Dr. Baumia is simply incorruptible. Someone using his name for deals. I see. Come on, I admire your outfit. Dr. Gideon Boako is exceptionally exceptional. Aside his innate desire to grow young ones for a better tomorrow, effective communication is one of the style, and I strongly believe the MPP needs more of his kind to face NDC in 2024. Tano North, Abrantepa Gideon, June 2. Hey, Hamza Suleiman, Deputy Nasara, organized Tano North. But otherwise, express interest or what?
May express interest or but I think, sir, the voice of the people is the voice of God. Until we are almost the Omohu no more can was.
Jeff Nyame Basu keep it up. Or say, in fact, Dr. Boako is a great communicator. God bless him. Mankind will embellish. So say Dr. Gideon Boako is the next. Next vice president.
Hey,
so Baobia must win from Jesse Boako, PhD, and the long thesis natural. Doc, good to talk to you, but more reminders quickly. Be what I say. Eastern Regional MPP chairman. I understand that the Papa had that form. Chairman, the chairman. Jeff.
Saturday.
Yeah, Jeff Kunadu, Saturday. Kwawu Obome.
Yeah.
Chairman Jeff Kunadu, Yako Kesiepa. Yes.
Vice President will be there.
The Vice President will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, to Chairman Jeff, Yako Kesiepa. And after, make I also say, Ensuma Plus final. Basu Nyame Admakwesi other way 19th of February our Fantasy Dome beka ho na obo se me obi me tweme yi say judge na obo se ni braba nti beka ye ho na yema no ye nana no me offers no me hwede obetimi abo no modern yi pa wa kansi so nko eba Fantasy Dome no me sa pepe no atena se Dr. Gideon Boako, you didn't come to speak for yourself. You spoke on behalf of the Vice President, but menim de nti obia o babia no
agenda for nko
Paul Jeusu Ekkebi pa of good morning the Dr. Boako has spoken a lot about Dr. Baumia, but delegates will decide and tell Dr. Boako the Vice President is different from being a president. During Mohammed's time, okay, that's what person can wrap up.
Yeah.
The time be mine, but time of mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. But your next conversation, me sure say more activity.
Yeah.
More full campaign. Ibi share wa.
So we dey menya full so. Comedies.
Ibi share. It me that's it. Short notice. But what you Brahma. I wish you well.
Because
I'm proud of you.
That's senior.
That's
also no for two.
Yes, that's it.
I know sometimes I call. I know I say me. I know from say I had the one coming. It is. I appreciate it so much.
Thank you.
Because
sometimes
so communication when you have people to give you feedback, you may get things wrong.
Yeah.
And a lot of us we learn a lot from comments among my other people. Yeah.
When you're in the chair, China, you are so much important to us. That's so I give this one. China, share why.